Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to unbox my KDP book. Okay, so it is available in KDP and extended publisher. Okay, not UK, USA, or other publishers, Japan publishers, but it is written Books Wagon. So what I did here, it is a collection of short story. Okay, 15 short stories are there. I thought to enlarge it, and I'll upload the paper. No, I'll upload the uh, what hard hardcover book. Actually, I uh, publish it in the self-publishing mode of KDP. Okay, so let us see what is there. I'm also excited, and actually I want to make it enlarge in the hard hardcover book. Okay, so more story will be added here, and my some other books like uh, First Shower. Okay, the anthology of poetry is available in the Amazon KDP, and other book also available like English novels of Northeast India, critical analysis. This is also available on Amazon. So here, this is my first creation. You can say not so big. Okay, this is the book Dream to be a Millionaire. Okay, short fiction by Dr. Zintu Bada. This is oh. So this is inaugurated, okay, with you, my friends. So here these are the content. Okay, 15 short stories are here, and first is romantic college days. Okay, hope for future, another short story. To become a writer, this is also okay. The bike, joy of life, this is another. Writer's world. Okay, water is a short story on water. Transfer is another, and this big dream, like a dream. Thought observation, another short story. Then English language, this is. And the last one is very very short, these two, success at last, and this one, way of life. Okay, so in my next volume you will get the extended one. I want to make it big. Okay, so this is paperback, and in the hard copy you will get extended form. And I'm working on another poem. Okay, anthology of poems, and there the name, I think the first one is First Shower. You can go to KDP and you can type Dr. Zintu Bora to see my books. Okay, the 4 books are available there. This is also one book, Dream to be a Billionaire. Get up is pretty nice. Okay, this is the back cover, and very soon I will upload another book. Okay, so check in the KDP, and you can check in Amazon. Okay, Amazon India, and Amazon India, you type Dr. Jintu Bora, and all my books will come out, and you can read about me. Author's page is there. Okay, thank you very much for watching.